Master Hamster. Epic Originals presents Master Hamster Super Science Weather. I am so excited you invited me on your top secret mission. Where are we? When do we do secrets? It's a secret. Adonis. That's the blindfold. Oh, I though cannot see, but I will not check my internal GPS, which is always running. So you know exactly where we are? Yes. Adonis is a good dog. Well, since the surprise is already ruined, might as well do some science. An unharted island in the South Pacific Ocean. So, should I unload the equipment? Not yet. Be careful. That box is filled with indispensable sciencey supplies. This is the device I call Cirrus. Hello, what will you like the weather to be? Adonis, you can handle the temperature, right? I'm a very good boy who can handle anything. Cirrus, give me that extreme heat, but make it humid. My fur is feeling a little dry. Increasing atmospheric humidity and temperature. Humidity is the measure of water, vapor, or moisture in the air. As water molecules in ponds, puddles, and streams absorb energy from the sun, they break free from the water's surface and enter the air, causing humidity levels to rise. Humidity makes it harder for humans and hamsters to cool off. It can also cause some hamsters' hair to frizz out and look silly. Yeah. Serious. Move this hot out and hair out and hit us with the cold stuff, producing cold air masks. Can we make it snow all the time? Then the kids will never have to go to school, and we can all play with them all day. First things first, we're just experimenting. Let's see what happens when this cold air hits the human's hot air. When the two air masses collide, the warmer air rises over the colder air. The rising air carries water molecules into the upper atmosphere. They condense into tiny water droplets and form clouds. The tiny droplets join together to make bigger, heavier droplets. When the droplets get too heavy, they fall out of the sky as rain. I made rain! I'm a meteorological mastermind. Warm air mass, cold air mass. Front, left, clouds. Ruh-roh. Cirrus, what weather pattern is that? A storm system is developing. As clouds grow, they reach higher, colder areas of the atmosphere. Water in the tops of the clouds freezes into ice crystals. Ice crystals bump into each other. Those collisions release electricity, which creates lightning. Yes, lightning. We're just experiencing a little teeny weeny storm. Serious? Can you cancel? Yums. A last night snack. Piece of cod liver tree, swallowed on a dare. Broccoli. Marcy made him eat it. Dumb. Swallowed 6.4 years ago. The bottom of the storm cloud is negatively charged. Lightning from this part of the cloud is attached to possibility charge of this, such as tall buildings, trees, and hamster geniuses holding metal objects above their head. Donk. Rumble. Lightning superheats the air around it. It's causing it to explode outward. You could call this a phenomenon, exploding hot storm air, but scientists just call it thunder. Applying hot and telling cold, administering hot, convene cold. Sirius, are you okay? Fascinating. Hailstones fall when a storm circulating winds carry ice pellets between cold areas of the cloud. Where ice forms in warmer areas, while water droplets are found, so more water freezes onto the pellets. Aside from my total lack the control over the situation, this is actually going really well. Luckily, we're not seeing any cyclone activity. In announcing cyclone activity simulator, I'm starting to think that the installing voice commands is the device on this device was a bad idea. That one's on me. A tornado is a rotating column of air stretching from thunderstorm cloud to the ground. Tornadoes are actually invisible, like wind or cartoon ghosts. We can only see them when they're filled with water, dust, or debris, hamster crabs, or robot dogs. Hold on and do not let go. My box! It's very important! Wind speed. Hold on and do not let go. Wind speed flew fast 40 to 380 miles per hour. Sound louder than fire truck up to 330 decibels. The strength enough to lift a pickup truck more than 2 tons. After that box, a tornado watch means that the conditions are right. Tornadoes might occur. A tornado warning means that tornadoes have been spotted and you should get to a basement closet or other inside spaces right away. Under no circumstances should you try to fly on a robot dog. Fly faster! We're near the storm's edge. Maybe we can catch the box, catch it in the box before it hits the water. Step on it, chew toy. I'm serious, Adonis. Swift like the wind. Changing wind current speed to swift. God, curse this device and overactive voice recognition. Sploosh. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Okay, I'll admit it. I might have made this invention a little too genius. When I'm having technical difficulties, I give myself a little rest. Have you tried turning the device off and turning it back on again? Great minds think alike, and so do ours. That precisely idea I'm going to do. Bleep bloop, bleep bleep boop. Hello, what would you like the weather to be today? Normal! Normally, barometric pressure and atmosphere conditions related to the local environment. My science supplies, are they safe? Oh, they're safe. Thanks. They're safe. Thanks, science. They're safe. My yum-yums! Woof! You can't do good science on an empty stomach. Time to fill my belly with the snacks for science. Inundating food sequence. Beep boop. Nuh-uh, there's candle that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye until next time.